Hey, what is up? So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit using 100% deposit bonus. Okay, so in our broker, which is the PO Prime, so we offer 100 deposit bonuses for our first-time customers. If you're here in Japan, we have 100 deposit bonus up to 500 USD dollars. So, uh, once you deposit maximum of 500 USD dollars, so subsequent deposits, meaning the next time you deposit, um, the 100 deposit bonus will not be activated. It's because 100 deposit bonuses is for first time deposits of the customers only. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate the 100 deposit bonus. So if you're here in Japan, we have maximum of 500 USD only. Okay, so as you can see here in my screen, so this will become your portal if you sign up into the PO Prime links. And as you can see here, first thing you need to find the promotions icon. Okay, as you can see here in the top left, we have promotions. We have 50% deposit bonus, 100% deposit bonus. Okay, so click the 100 deposit bonus. Okay, so how it works. Okay, this is a very important thing to read because others are still thinking that if you click this 100 deposit bonus, the second time around they deposit, they will always receive 100 deposit bonus, which is uh, not true. Okay, so click the OPT now. Okay, ito daw. You must click it and OPT in now. So make your deposit only after the promotion has been activated. So first, you must activate this 100% deposit bonus. And then 100% of your first deposit, okay? First deposit. This is very vital because will be awarded as credit bonus. So credit bonus, guys, is accredited to your accounts given by the PO Prime. So this is a reward. This will double your leverage or your equity on your accounts. Okay, up to maximum of 1,000 USD. But if you are in Japan, so this gives only 500 USD. Okay, for the updated version. Subsequent, okay, this is very important. So meaning the second time around you deposit on your account, deposits are subjected to 20% deposit bonus only. Okay, so let's say for example, you deposit 500 USD because of 100 deposit bonus, your 500 USD dollars will become 1K USD. Okay? So this will double your uh equity on your accounts. But if you deposit the second time around, maybe your funds have been zero. So you deposited again on the broker. So the second time around you deposit is 20% deposit bonus only up to maximum of 9,000 USD. Okay, so if you deposit account and the second time around, so maximum of 9,000 USD will be accredited in your funds. Okay, so I have read and agreed to the terms. Click OPT in now. Okay, so af after you click the OPT in, you can now deposit on your accounts. Okay, click deposit and then make sure in this area, okay, this is um very vital. It's because let's say for example, you have accounts like demo accounts or other accounts on PO Prime, um, make sure that your accounts when you're looking on your MT5 is aligned. Okay, so others are have two or three accounts, but they waited on their accounts to be deposited, but they are seeing their accounts not aligned on their deposited accounts. Okay, so make sure you check this one. This is your account, and then you log in into your MT5 or Trade Locker. So make sure these accounts are aligned. Okay, enter your desired amount. Let's say, for example, 500 USD. Okay, so if you are here in Japan, because I am here in Japan and I have also clients in Philippines, so the fastest way to deposit your accounts is through local bank transfer. Okay, click this one, Japan Bank Transfer, and continue. All right, this is all the details to be deposited, and click pay now. So after you click pay now, this will appear on your cell phones or on your screen. Okay, so please check the number 3. This is the yellow highlighted. Okay, so client's name in the transfer memo field, if you cannot enter it, you can fill it in the name of payment. Okay? Merong section dun sa name of payment. Failure to do so may cause a delay in funds being credited to your accounts. Okay? So in this case, okay, you must click paid if you successfully deposit your account. So we have a time limit of 15 minutes only. So if 15 minutes have passed, you need to request another deposit request. Okay. So these are the details of your accounts to be transferred. So in this case, you need to fill up this one for the order date. We have the amount. Okay, make sure the amounts are aligned, 75131 in yen. Okay, you deposited 500 USD, so equivalent to 75,131. Okay, so these are the banks, Shintomi Town branch, the code, and then standard, normal. Okay, so in the name portion of the local bank transfer, so there is a part of it that your name has been uh, plugged right there. So your name must be replaced with these numbers. Okay? Try to remember, your name must be replaced with this merchant order number. Why? Because uh, this account right here will be transferred under your PU Prime accounts or MT5 accounts. Okay, so you need to replace your name with this merchant order number. Okay, so once this all complied, so you need to click paid so that there is no trouble in depositing your funds. Click paid. Okay, so this will appear on your screen. So based on my experience here in Japan, so if you use local bank transfer, so estimated we have uh 1 hour or maybe 3 hours or 1 day depending on the transaction of the MUFG bank. Okay, so the PO Prime broker guys is also waiting for the bank partners to process your account. So, depending on the bank that you use, the uh the fastest, or maybe the what we call that, depending on the bank, guys, the transaction will be appear on your screens. Okay, so there is also a bank that very they have very fast transactions, maybe 30 minutes. Your deposit transactions will appear on your portal or on your screen. So make sure before you deposit your account must be verified. Okay, try to remember you must comply or your IDs and your billing address so that there is no trouble in depositing your accounts. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit or activate the 50% deposit bonuses. Okay, so the 50% deposit bonus is very helpful. It's because the first time you deposit, you will receive 100 deposit bonus. But the second time around you deposit, you will receive 20%. Okay, so the PO Prime Broker um, disseminate a 50% deposit bonus so that the second time around you deposit on the broker, you will receive 50% of your deposit funds. Okay, so I will be making another video of that. Thank you.